What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be painting this driveway concrete carport. So as you can see, it's pretty stained up and it needs paint and seal. This is all car oil and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a step-by-step kind of video. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pressure wash this whole area, all the nooks and crannies all around it, all the seals, with a foam cannon filled with Dawn dish soap. It's a good degreaser. After that, I'm gonna rinse all that with the pressure washer again, and I'm gonna let it dry. After it dries, I'm gonna tape all around it where I don't want paint to be to reach. So I'm gonna put a masking tape all around it, and then I'm gonna seal it. There may be some time lapses in this video, so it's not too long, but I'm gonna put the camera down and show you how the results come out. And if you like it, maybe you can do the same procedure on your concrete driveway. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be using here to paint after pressure washing the concrete driveway. This is a porch and floor from Sealcrete concrete and wood paint. I am not exactly sure if this can handle the cars driving over it all the time, since it says porch, but it says also floor for concrete floors. So hopefully this is gonna hold up just nicely. And the color is Dove Gray. So I want to give you all the details, so when you see the final results, maybe you can do the same thing with your concrete driveway. So with that being said, right now I'm gonna start pressure washing the driveway, and then we're gonna wait for it to dry, and then we're gonna paint it with this. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, so this is the end results. I think it looks very clean, very nice. I think it's a bit too bright, but that's okay. When cars start driving on and off of it, I think it's gonna be just fine. Compared to the old color, I left this piece and you can see the difference. But overall, I'm very satisfied with it. On the can, however, it looks darker. So if you look at the color here, it looks darker, but that's okay. I mean, I'm really happy. Look how clean and nice it is. So with that being said, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next one.